In this episode, we're going to have a look at normalizing data, and that can be a very important thing. So your data is not only consistent, but you can also preemptively weed out some edge cases. For example, if a name has a space in the front of it, or if there's a carriage return or a new line. And in this episode, we're going to look at how we can automatically normalize it to a title case like this, or with an email where there's a space at the beginning. We got some capital letters. The domain name is in full caps. We'll automatically normalize it to all lowercase. And doing something like this isn't new. There's been ways to do it in the past. And in Rails 7.1, a feature was released that made it even easier. And that's what we're going to be looking at in this episode today. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.